Hello everyone. In this video I'll be working on a simple trick, a simple function of filtering your data, which is helping you search a specific section of the specific data that you're looking for in your sheet. As you could just simply select the heading or the menu of your sheet or your data or whatever the file you have, and there are like two ways. Okay, so you just select the heading and just click simply on the filter, so you have the filters here, or you can just look in the tables and let's say we come to the tables menu and you just simply look for various designs here. It gives you a filter with a specific design, whatever you just prefer to have to keep. You just select, let's say, this one. So you just have the filter and a simple design of your Excel sheet. So now you can simply click on whatever departments. You can drag the menu and want to see like everything you have here. So you can, let's select for a marketing department. It's gonna filter all the related employees in their salary record, everything you're looking for. You want to look for HR, you want to look for sales, or you can just select everything and you want to remove the filter. You can just simply click back on the filter icon so that your filter will be removed. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.